Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job postings from today as on the date 14th November 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for their right positions, please do watch my full video. The first vacancy is from Alain Palace Hotel in Dubai for the below mentioned positions. Male or female candidate with an experience of 2 to 3 years in a 4-star hotel in UAE can apply for this position. The salary package is depending upon the positions. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is from Al Wasif Group in Dubai for the position of Junior Mechanical Engineer. Candidate must have completed a bachelor's in Mechanical Engineering and must be proficient in MS Office and AutoCAD. Junior Mechanical Engineer will provide detailed reports and summaries of ongoing projects to keep the production supervisors and other seniors up to date. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is from Convergent Value Engineering LLC in Dubai for the position of Junior Mechanical Estimator. The candidate must have completed BE or BTech in Mechanical Engineering with at least 2 years of Gulf experience in the MEP contracting. Should have knowledge in preparation of tenders and budget estimates for major building projects in the Middle East. The candidate must be proficient in English and must have an excellent mathematical ability and high computer skills. The salary package is unspecified. You can apply for this position directly from the below mentioned company website. Next vacancy is for the position of Quantity Surveyor Engineer from Agile Consultants in Dubai. Male candidate with an experience of 2 years as a Quantity Surveyor or Quantity Surveyor Engineer can apply for this position. Must have completed Bachelor's in Civil Engineering and other license and certifications would be a plus. The candidate must be responsible for creating, scheduling and provisioning program of work as per site condition of all the projects. The salary package is from 85,000 per month plus medical insurance and air ticket. You can apply for this position directly from the below mentioned company website. The next vacancy is from Top Golf Club in Dubai for the following positions of Restaurant Supervisor, Senior Bartender, Bartender, Barback Assistant, Chef de Partie, Demi Chef de Partie and Commis Chef 1. The last date to apply for this vacancy is 30th November 2020. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Al Jazeera International Catering Company in Dubai for the position of Transport Coordinator. The candidate must have completed a bachelor's or a master's. The candidate with an experience of 4 to 5 years in a relevant field can apply for this position. Salary package is from 85,000 plus commission, medical insurance and performance based bonus. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Last vacancy is from Grand Malabar Restaurant in Abu Dhabi for the position of South Indian Cook. The salary package is to be discussed. You can WhatsApp in the below provided mobile number. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily UAE jobs and for the job related queries, and also press the bell icon for receiving daily UAE job notifications immediately onto your phone. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, please do let me know in my comment box below. Good luck on your job search and may God bless you all.